Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Ward 3A and 3B simulation exam. I will guide you through this exam step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your exam by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python and many more online courses. If you do not able to do this exam, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I will do this complete exam for you with A plus grade. I am also handling many students courses on Pearson, Cengage, Blackboard and many more colleges and universities. Please hire me for your weekly assignments, hire me for your weekly quizzes and hire me for your weekly exams. Let's start our exam to solve it step by step. Okay, Ward 3A 3B simulation exam. Select the entire document and then change the line and paragraph spacing to 2.0 and the spacing after to 0 point. Okay, you can read this question. Select the entire document first and then we will change the line and paragraph spacing to 2.0 and then spacing after to 0 point. Simply we will select the entire documents and then go to the paragraph group. Okay, line spacing to 2.0. Here is line spacing, we will adjust 2.0 and then and the spacing after to 0 point, then click on OK. At the top of the document, type the history of Ellis Island and then press enter. Okay, at the top of the document we will type here. Okay, top of the document we will type here. Sorry, at the top of the document we will type the history of Ellis Island. Okay, the history of Ellis Ellis Island. Okay, and then press enter. Center the title, the history of Ellis Island. We will select this text and then go to the alignment tab and then we will apply center the alignment. In the paragraph group, apply center the alignment. Question is completed now. In the header area, tap Davis and press space bar. Okay, we will tap Davis and then press space bar in the header area and then insert a page number in the current position using the plan number style. Okay, in the header area we will tap Davis and press space bar and then insert a page number in the current position using the plan number style. Okay, in the header area we will tap Davis DAVIS and then press space bar, page number and then go to the page number in the current position using the plan. Okay, apply align right and then close the header. Apply align right, we will select this text, go to the home tab. In the paragraph group, in the alignment tab we will apply align right and then close the header. Okay, apply line and then close the header. Starting with the paragraph that begins first opened in, select all of the report text and set 0.5 inches. First line indent, note, do not apply. Okay, starting with the paragraph that begin first opened, select all the report text and set 0.5 inches. You can see here, first we will starting with the paragraph that begin first opened in, first open here starting with the paragraph that began first opened in. Select all of the report text and set 0.5 inches. Go to the paragraph group and then line spacing is and the special 0. First line report text and then 0.5 the first line indent. Okay, first line indent at 0.5 inches. Question is completed now. Sorry, your connection is average. In the fifth line of the paragraph that begins first opened in, to the right of the periods after Martin, insert a footnote with the text before the federal government begins regulating immigration after passing the Immigration Act of 1891. Individual states had the responsibilities. Be sure to tab the periods at the end of the footnote. Okay, in the fifth line of the paragraph that begins first opened in the right of the periods after, insert a footnote. Okay, we will insert a footnote in the fifth line of the paragraph. We will insert a footnote. Fifth line of paragraph 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, after Mathan, here is third line and fourth and fifth line. Fifth line of paragraph after the Mathan is here. Okay, insert a footnote here. We will insert a footnote. Go to the references, click insert footnote, and then we'll insert a footnote is here. Before, we will type here before the federal government, before the federal government, government. Okay, government began regulating sorry, misspell, wrong spell, regulating or EGU, regulating immigration, after passing the Immigration Act of 1891, then comma, individual state had the responsibility Okay, question is completed. Now you can see here I have had a footnote in here. Now modify the footnote text style to include a font size of 11 point with a first line of 0.5 inches. Modify the footnote text style to include a font size of 11 point with a first line of 0.5 inches and double spacing. Close all dialog boxes. Okay, modify the footnote now. Right click on this and then click on style. Text style include font size 11 point with the first line of 0.5 inches. Go to the font style, 11 point font size, and then first line of 0.5 inches. Go to the format and then click on paragraph. Spacing is first line and then 0.5 inches. Double line spacing, then click on OK. Then we will apply on this. Question is completed now. Okay, by using the added situation dialog box, added the waters quotation to include 37. We will select this and then click on added quotations, added situation, and then include 37. In the sixth line of the paragraph that begins originally the Iceland to the left of the periods following the word material, insert a citation for a new source. The source is a website and author is Aaron Stefan, and the name of web page is visiting Ellis Island. Do not close the create source dialog box. Now you can see this question in the sixth line of the paragraph that begin originally. Okay, in the sixth line of the paragraph that begin originally the Iceland to the left of the periods. Follow the word material, insert a question for a new source. Click on insert question, add a new source. The source is website and then author is Aaron Stefan. Okay, we will the type of source is website. We will type of sources, add a type of sources website. Okay, website. Now author is Aaron. We will type Aaron Stefan, and then name of web page is visiting Ellis Island. Okay, author is Aaron Stefan. Author is Aaron Stefan, and then name of web page is visiting Ellis Island. Name of web page is visiting Ellis Island. Do not close the create source dialog box. Oh, sorry, the year is 2013. You can read this. In the create source dialog box, continue entering the source information. The year is 2013 and the month is July and days is 17. Okay, now year is 2013, month is July, and the days is 17. The days is 17. Do not close. Okay, do not close. In the create source dialog box, complete the source information. The year assessed is 2021. Year assessed is 2021. We will type here 2021 in the year assessed box. We will type 2021, and the month assessed is March, and by date assessed is 23, and then the medium is web, and create the source. Year assessed is 2021. The month assessed is March. The month assessed is March. We will type March in the month assessed box. The day assessed is 23. 23rd is the day assessed. Medium is web. Now create this source. Click on OK. Question is completed now. I have done 8 questions right now of this exam. Move the end of the document and insert a manual page break. Okay, we will insert a manual page break end of the document. Go to the insert type. Okay, move to the end of the document first, and then we will insert a manual page break. Go to the layout group, layout tab, and then we will click on break, and then we will insert manual page break. Click on page with the insertion point in the blank paragraph on the new blank page on the home tab in the paragraph group. Okay, click the dialog box launcher button in the paragraph dialog box on the indent and spacing tab under indentation. Click the special arrow and then click none. Click OK. Simply with the insertion point in the blank paragraph on the new blank page on the home tab in the paragraph group. Click the dialog box launcher button. Okay, on the home tab in the paragraph group. The paragraph dialog box indent and spacing tab under indication. Under indentation, click the special arrow. Click the special arrow and then click none. We will select none here. Okay, we will select none here and then simply click on OK. Okay, question is completed now. My connection is average, sorry for waiting. Okay, with the insertion point position in the first paragraph of page 4 in the situation and bibliography group, click bibliography and then near the button of the list click works cited. With the insertion point position in the first paragraph of page 4 in the click on references, go to the bibliography. Okay, questions, situations and bibliography. Okay, this is done now. Select the paragraph work cited on the home tab in the font group. Okay, in the font group change the font to Calibri and then change the font size to 11. Click the font color arrow and then in the second column click the first color. You can read this question. Select the paragraph work cited, okay, on the home tab and the font group. Okay, first we will select this paragraph work cited on the home tab in the font group. We will apply 11 font size on this paragraph. First we will select this font to Calibri. Okay, change the font to Calibri and then change the font size to 11. Font style is Calibri. We will apply font size is Calibri is here. You can read this Calibri and then we will apply font size 11 on this paragraph. You can read this question carefully, then you can see on my PC screen. I will apply. Go to the font group and then we will apply Calibri style on this work cited paragraph. Okay, we will select this paragraph first, work cited. Go to the font style and then apply Calibri. Then go to the font style, font size and then apply 14 font size on this paragraph. Sorry, 14. And color, font color arrow and then the second column, black text one font color. With the text box cited still selected in the paragraph group, click center. Okay, we will apply the center alignment on this paragraph. Okay, we will apply center alignment of this paragraph. Please follow my video and you will done your exam by watching this video. Apply center. With the text box cited still selected in the paragraph group, click the dialog box launchers button and then the paragraph dialog box. Change the spacing before to 0 point and then set the line spacing to double. Okay, open the dialog box and then we will change the spacing before to 0 point. Here is spacing before to 0 point and then set the line spacing to double. We will set the line spacing to double, then click on OK. Question is completed now. I have done 10 questions of this exam right now. You can see on my PC screen. Please, if you do not ever do this exam, you can contact me. I will do this complete exam for you. Use the source manager to edit the name Catherine in the water source to begin with the K. Begin with the K and okay, use the source manager to edit the name Catherine in the water source to begin with a K instead of a C and update both lists. Okay, update both lists. Use the source manager to edit the name Catherine in the water source. Begin with a K. Begin with the K instead of C. Catherine water source, edit source, click on edit source. Okay. Okay, here is author water. Catherine, we will remove C and then we will tap K. Instead of C, we will tap K. Update list. We remove this and then we will tap here K and then we will update both lists. Okay, both lists is updated now. On page 1, update the water quotation so that the bibliography is updated to reflect the new spelling of Catherine. You can see this question on page 1. Update the water quotation so that the bibliography page is updated to reflect the new spelling of Catherine. Update the water quotation so that the bibliography page is updated. Update quotation. Question is completed now. I have done 10 questions of this exam right now. Moving on next question. Open the navigation pane. Use the pane to go to page 3 of the document. Close all open dialog boxes and panes. Okay, go to the home tab. Open the navigation pane in the okay. Use the pane to go page 3. Here is page 3. Close all open dialog boxes and panes. Question is completed now. Select the text beginning with the paragraph, the next phase and ending with the paragraph mark after the paragraph that begin. Welcome to our newest. Format the selected text and 2 columns. Okay, first we will select this text and then we will format into 2 columns. Okay, the beginning with the paragraph, the next phase and ending with the paragraph mark after the paragraph that begin. Welcome to our newest. The new phase ending with welcome to our newest, and then format the selected text as 2 columns. Okay, scroll down. The newest phase and then ending with the welcome to our newest. Okay, and then click on layout group. Okay, we will click on layout tab and then page setup group, click on columns. You can see here first we will select this paragraph, the beginning with the next phase and ending with the paragraph mark after the paragraph that begin. Welcome to our newest. Then we will format the selected text as 2 columns. Okay, select this paragraph, then we will click on layout tab and in the page setup group click on columns and then we will insert in 2 columns. Okay, you can see here I have done 14 question out of 24 question for remaining question, and if you want to do for complete course you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python and many more online courses. Please contact me for any course help. I will provide you A+ grade and give you very reasonable prices. I am also handling many students courses on Pearson, Cengage, Blackboard and many more colleges and universities. Please hire me for your weekly assignments, hire me for your weekly quizzes, hire me for your midterm, finals and complete course. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. I will help you in your futures. I will upload complete course on my YouTube channel. If you do not able to do this course and if you do not able to do this exam or any assignments, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. You can see on my PC screen. My WhatsApp is shown on my PC screen and my WhatsApp and email are given in the description. You can contact me easily on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this exam for you with A+ grade. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.